Hey everybody, we went out to the storage space here to look at a few things on the bike, and let's take around and let's turn around and take a look at this thing. It's pretty cool. We got the kidney tank on and fixed up the seat, and I actually have some pictures of another seat I got. It's just a little bit smaller, but it's more of the brown color that I like. But let's take a look. Hang on. All right, how cool is this, man? Look at that chrome oil tank. Yeah, bud. All the other covers on, you know. So the bike is, see, I like the patina in this seat. You know, this is actual leather. This is like a La Rosa seat, I think. The other one that we got here, it's like a $65 eBay special. But you can see it's pretty close in size. But I like the look of this one too. I don't know if it's pleather or real leather. I feel like it's not real leather, but this one definitely is. The La Rosa seat definitely is. But yeah, I kind of like the color of this better. Anyways, so I took pictures with them both bolted on. We'll take a look, but just kind of walk around. I gotta clean it, you know. I gotta clean up the push rod covers and all that. But man, that beauty. The first one had a real nasty kind of dent. It was right here. It was a dent with a little ding. That looks pretty good. That polished up pretty decent. I don't know, I wasn't sure about how much I was gonna like the chrome tank, but woo, that looks good with all the other chrome, the chrome swing arm. This thing is, chrome will get you home, baby, on this bike, hopefully. And we're gonna pull the tins off today, and I have my buddy's son paint those up for me. We're going for like a light, you know, it's a Harley silver metallic pearl or whatever. So let me set the seat down here. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here, right? And we're gonna have the tombstone. Remember, the tombstone's gonna go here. That's gonna look pretty cool, pretty rad. But yeah, I think we got a few more things to do, but otherwise, you know, it's getting cold. You know, what I want to do is try and fix this clutch. See that? Oh, did it? No. Okay. So we've got it like definitely moved. Anyways, I gotta like loosen this in there and then see if that solves the problem. But yeah, that's about it. We'll this may be the last video on this guy for the winter. It's what is it, November 23rd, something like that. It's Saturday. So yeah, I'm not sure how much more I'm going to be able to do. That's why I'm going to probably, like I said, pull off the tins. We've got the front fender, gas tank, rear fender. Those are the only tins we're going to paint on the bike. Like I said, like a silver metallic pearl. So other than that, man, lots of chrome. I love it. All right, guys, thanks for coming along. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, today I rode the Grom over to Grunkle Billy's house, and I'm gonna, you know, I'll keep riding that as long as I can, as long as it doesn't, you know, once the temperature drops below like 25, I don't ride. It's with the wind chill and everything. I don't know. We'll see. So I didn't bring it over here to the storage space. I brought it over to his place. So I may get a few rides in before the end of the year. So we'll see you then. All right. Easy.